If you want to speak English, so just watch my video. It's very beneficial for you if you can learning English, and if you want to learn English, so just watch it. So we will discuss how to speak English, how to write English, and also how to communicate English with you. This single video is for you if you can learning English, so watching this video so you can speak English very confidently and effectively. If you watch this video, so watch this video. We will cover the benefit of English and also the problems of people that will face anytime. The first problem are people. My problem are people how I look while I am speaking English, and what are the people think about me when I am speaking English. So this is not big problem, so I can solve this problem with few steps. So first of all, I will fix the problem, and with problem you need to speak English loudly within the mirror, and to learn English grammar of basics, not full grammar, just the basic of English if you are communicating with other peoples. And the third step are to reading books aloud. So these three are the main issues that you will face. So work on this so you can success in speaking of English easily, and the all fears from you will be about the benefit of English. So the first benefit of English is to other country, so you can give interview, and the interview so you can take, and if you are not give interview, so you can. The second benefit of English is to easy your study for you. If you can learn English, so the study will very easier for you, and you can speak confidently, will also written English confidently. Two are the main benefit of English. First of all, you need to learn English for speaking and writing English, so you can need to reading books aloud, and this is the number one step of our video. So you can read book aloud, so your tongue muscle are making, so your tongue muscle will be trained, and if you are trained while speaking, so you can speak very long sentences that are very hard for you on this moment. So you need to reading book. Step is focus on a few grammar, just the basic of grammar, not the complete grammar. If you want to speak English, so you need to practice on basic grammar, not on the pro level grammar. So you need to learn the basic grammar that will help you while speaking and writing the English, so this is very easy for you. Third step are making your own sentences. So when I not speak English, so I make a very short sentences, just like I understand, I don't understand, do I understand, why do I understand. So making short sentences that will really help you to learn English and communicating with another people, and the people will impress from you, and the people will say to you, you are a valuable person because you can speak English, and this is the not big problem of speaking English. It is so easy. So practice on the learning. This is the video with I tell you total 3 to 4 main issues, and the 3 to 4 steps. So focus on this, and you can speak English confidently with another people. For the taking care of your mind and your body, this is your dost Mohsin Nabi signing out.